Gamba mti abalungi mwena abekumide kate sawe no yenyini Miss Tourism Uganda yetu mukuletedde ng'olunaku olwaleero tuli wano ate ku Acacia Mall tuze tulabe ebitone abaana b'enjawulo bye bagenda okuba boolesa sako ne creative wares ze balina nate olunaku olwaleero wendi wano olaba omukyala gwe bali mu kwotaayota olugoye lulungi lunyiriro kamala n'abalala boze ng'olaba ate yes zakabinyonyidde naye nga njaga okujjukizaako tamanya nze Nasanga Deborah ate Miss Talent Buganda Kingdom 2023 naye ate katugende omukyala no right away. It's so exciting seeing you in such an outfit.
Bulunzi. Yeah, I'm really happy about my outfit because it brings a lot to me.
So tell us more about your creativity here.
My creative attire, it is, I'm thinking about the theme that we have, rethinking tourism, recycling what we have for more other purposes, and I'm from Ankole, so Ankole is the land of milk and honey. This white is for the milk, and then the sign of the hive is the honey we have in Ankole. So this is why I designed this outfit.
What's your name?
Natkunda Hana Claire.
Nze Allen Genevieve Namakula nga ndi mukyala Neddira Lugave era nga nva mu ssaza ly'e Bugerere nga nasobola okukiikirira Buganda mu mpaka z'obwannalulungi ab'ebyobulambuzi mu Uganda yonna. Tuli wano tuli ku lunaku olw'okwolesa ebitone era twambadde ebyambalo byaffe bikoleddwa emikono mbakunga mwenna mujje mutuwagire Abaganda Abasoga buli omu ali represented bulungi wano ku Miss Tourism Uganda.
Wow, this is beautiful. How are you? What's your name?
My name is Mary Etilu.
Budewa.
I don't know Uganda.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sarati, Amuria.
That sounds so good. What's the creativity behind your dress?
The creativity behind my dress is nature. The beautiful nature in Uganda inspired me to make this. And then our Professor Ogwang, who made COVID-X and helped us during the pandemic, COVID-19.
Turn around, let's see the beauty. Oh, wow, she deserves to be the queen. Wait, just a minute.
My strategy is to work upon the tourism sites. Some of them are not seen from other regions, whereby, for example, there are some tourism sites in the north, in the east, the Tesoland. We have to uplift them, and I work hand in hand with the tourism sector to uplift the tourism sites in Uganda.
So good. What's your name once again?
My name is Mary Etilu.
Amabara gange ninyotale mwa Constance Amoti ninduga bunyoro kandi nyesimbiro habanyarurungi habwe mpaka za Uganda.
Wow, that sounds so good. So what's your creativity here?
This is my creativity, and it has been inspired by the natural resources that we have in Uganda that make us really the pearl of Africa. When you look at the fertile soils that we have, when you look at the rich resources like the sisal, the source of medicine, art and craft, we make really a lot of things that are really attracting tourists.
What makes you think, what makes you think that you're going to win?
Oh, actually, I have all the knowledge, I have all the resources, I've already put a strategy that really can help to develop the tourism industry of Uganda.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Iona Desire Patience from West Nile. Maru Patience ale mimuki woro grand finale mala ba venture mupira mimuki then ale mi vodka ma woro mimuki ba memu West Nile supporting.
What inspired you to join Miss Tourism Uganda?
The love for nature I have, and then with my profession as an environmental conservation student, so I find it easy to fight environmental degradation. So I find that Miss Tourism Uganda gives me a very big platform to air out the problems that are facing Uganda. Yeah.
That sounds so good. Your attire is made out of plastics. Why?
It's because plastics are the biggest domain when it comes to environmental degradation. Yet we can recycle, reuse, or different things out of the plastics. One thing I know is wherever is disposed is a resource. So this is why I've come up with that idea of coming up with a creative way made out of plastics.
Okay, let me continue right away. Madam, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm so inspired with this. I eat kalo so much.
Please welcome to Ankole. Where we eat kalo and drink milk with our longhorn cattle. Well, that's my inspiration. How has been your day?
My day is really good. Let me hope you're going to make it tonight.
I believe I'll make it because I'm a winner. I don't believe in failure.
What inspired you to come to Miss Tourism?
Well, I I came into Miss Tourism mainly to create awareness regarding our tourism sites in Ankole that people don't know about, and also to create awareness the girls that feel they can't come out and speak for themselves. I'm here to give them confidence that I was also once like them, but now here I am at the national level competing.
So, do you want to talk about your attire once again?
Well, my attire is made out of longhorn cattle. You can also see the horns and the hide and skin. And at the same time, we have the tail. Then the calabash is to store our liquor for our ancestors. Then the cowrie shells for money exchange. And where we store our milk, where we store our kalo, our staple food.
You have strategies that you set is going to kuyambako kuyitamu.
Nyina okuyitamu mukwano kubanga nakoze ebintu byange nekyegese. I can't say I'm too confident, but at least I believe in God. I can present myself there, and the rest is unto God and the judges.
Wow, that's also good. Waliwo on Tegwe Nkule today right about now. How are you, Queen?
I'm fine, how are you?
You all deserve to be queens. Really beautiful. You look so sweet. You're on point. How did you make it tonight?
Oh, I made it because I've done enough research and I feel I can do the best and yeah.
Wow. Where are you from?
I'm from Bunyoro.
Okay.
Yeah. Abantu ba Bunyoro muri muta. Kubasaba kuija grand finale eriyo 23rd September. Please come. Muje mubeyo mutusagike. We have to win.
You're still watching Princess Debbie YouTube channel, my dear friend. Elanga Wendu Wanawalo Queen. Simani Chichi Mutawanya, she's really beautiful and wonderfully made. Her attire is on point. How are you, madam?
I'm okay, how are you?
Tewali,
I was just calling my sister to help me.
You're on pressure because they have already started.
Oh, not really, I'm not.
You're comfortable?
Yeah, I am. They're just a bit nervous, but I am. Yeah.
Which is normal. So, what's your attire? I see. What is this?
These are beads. Yeah, I'm putting on, these are made from threads, yarns of a palm tree. So these are used to make very many cultural things like mats, baskets, utensils for dancing, very many. So I'm trying to represent our culture.
Which culture?
The various cultures of Uganda. We like this one represents all. We use it Basogas, Bagandas, people from the West, I mean everywhere. So I don't have a specific culture I've chosen. This is to represent all.
All culture?
Yes, all.
Where are you from? Which culture?
I'm from Busoga region.
From Busoga region?
Yes, I'm in Busoga.
Which is okay.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. On Friday 23rd, come at Serena Hotel for the grand finale. Tickets go for 50,000, ordinary 200, VIP, and a table of 8 is at 3 million. Thank you so much. I can't wait to meet you all.
Erinyanze namuyanja nakato Roslyn ngera tuli wano ku Miss Tourism Uganda 2022 nga ndi omu kubakikiridde Buganda. I'm here asking for your support. Please vote for me. Please vote for us. Support us in each way you can. Today, tuli wano era nga tugenda kulaga talent zaffe ez'enjawulo. Tukoze engoye okusinziira ku how creative we are. Tugenda kukola ebintu ebyenjawulo. Tugenda mulimu abayimba, mulimu abazina, mulimu abakola ebitontome. Lugenda kuba lunaku lwa ssanyu era tubasaba yonna gye muli mujje mutulabe mutuwagire abaganda yonna yonna gye muli mutuwagire ffe tukiikiridde Buganda yonna yonna.
Princess Davy is my name. Nasanga Deborah Temunange Miss Talent Buganda 2020-2023. Attire zazilabye ezenjawulo abaana ze bakwambalidde mukwano gwange nga wenjogera right now ndina omukyala anyiride attire gyagenda okuba nga nnyonnyola akubulire byayambadde bitegeeza ki naye nga ate bagenda kukolesa talent zaabwe bulungi nnyonyi ddala saako n'okwolesa attire zaabwe ze tuyise creative ways bakoze n'emikono gamba otya nyabo?
I'm fine, how are you?
Amanya n'eddoboozi?
My name is Apodorin from Teso region.
Wow, that sounds so good. What is the attire about?
My attire, this beautiful attire sing, it's made out of sisal, and sisal is one of the plants that is grown in Teso region.
Anyway, I stay Princess Davy. Thank you for subscribing. Please share and comment on this video. Until on Friday 23rd, to every information that you need to know. Princess Davy, Miss Tourism Uganda, Miss Talent Uganda, Miss Talent Buganda. Bye bye, my guys.